Today, me and my friend pick up this old rusty go-kart from the 50s and restore it.
So, we're cracking open the brand new 212.
Let's see what happens.
Your wheel literally almost fell off. Good morning. Alright, so we have the go-kart here. Why not just look at the air filter real quick? Do you think it's gonna start? No. I think it's gonna start.
Is that one hidden?
No, not at all. That's good. Filter back on. We don't know if it runs, if it likes to run better with it. Anything living in there? Nothing. No, there's something.
Sounds like it's... Oh, exhaust is smoky. It sounds like it's like...
At least we have something. It's right there.
Oh, dude, it's so close.
Cause that's fresh gas, everything.
Oh my.
Let's put the air filter
Alright,
back
it
on.
works.
Okay, so right now we just got the throttle cable off, and we're putting a new throttle cable on that we had for this other go-kart. Okay, so I just pulled the spark plug. I'm gonna test this spark. Oh yeah, that's really strong spark. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it back in because it was not tight at all. It was literally finger tight. It might have been like losing compression. So we just pulled the spark plug and it has plenty of spark, super strong spark. But it was finger tight. Like, I just pulled that thing out really easy. So I'm just gonna put it back in.
Is it tight down?
It's tight now. So there's no vacuum hose going from the valve back into the carb box, so there's oil everywhere. I don't know if this is the oil. If this is the oil, it needs an oil change so bad because oil is not supposed to be brown. I'm gonna hit the throttle, open, and then close. It doesn't return all the way. At this point, the engine is just so covered in oil from this valve cover being open. It's just everywhere, so we're just gonna spray with the hose.
No, that was just so shit.
I don't know. Alright, today we're testing the brakes. Here we go. Oh, I'm just ready?
Oh, that actually worked.
So we're cracking open the brand new 212. Oh, you smell that? Freshy boy. So do you oil? Oh. Come on, baby. Choke on. Yeah, it's really close to the choke on. Less gas. holding a running engine. That's weird. Still have no brakes. Yeah.
Left your hat here.
We got the clutch on, brand new clutch. And we got the chain, and we shortened the chain. And now we're ready for the first test drive, except he's just putting the seat back on.
I'm trying to get these bolts are so dry. It's not even.
Come on, bro. Look what he is on it. Look what he's starting on it. That's it.
What's that?
Let's go. It was sparking for the first time. Oh, burnout! He's just doing a burnout that whole time. Get speed, get speed. It's starting to snow. Alright, go. Oh shit. Keep going. Do the brakes work? The brakes don't work.
They work like a little bit. What happened?
Oh, hey, you lost your thing. Your wheel literally almost fell off.
What if it was on there?
Like the hose clamp. See if Ken will make it up. Hey.
This needs to be tight and our brakes are really gonna fall off. Guys, so we did sell the Go-Kart already.
It's been sold over there.
It's
Facebook
a
Marketplace.
failed
How much you sell for?
3 days having. I sold for 125, so I flipped it for 50.
There it goes, right there.
There it goes.
They got a rod knock. Oh my god, you hear that thing go by? Tick, 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 tick.